Reaction speed in League has always been held on a pedestal because that's how you outplay opponents, right? Well, what if we told you that there's a much more effective way of winning the game without having to train your reaction speeds to Bruce Lee's level? In this series of guides, we'll be giving you absolutely everything you need to know about wave manipulation so you can destroy your opponent in every game. This first guide will be an introduction to minion waves. We're going to uncover what a minion wave is and how it interacts with the game. If you're already in tune with these concepts, then skip to the next video to start learning about taking advantage of the minion waves. Cool, so let's start with the basics. The first minion wave spawns at some arbitrary timestamp that Riot dictates. In the patch that this video was made, they spawn at 1:15. Each minion wave thereafter spawns every 30 seconds. Most of these waves consist of 3 melee minions and 3 caster minions. Melee minions have a high health value and are melee, while caster minions have a low health value but are ranged. Contrary to what you might have heard, they actually deal the same amount of damage over time. Melee minions attack twice as fast as caster minions but deal half of their damage, so in the span of 1.25 seconds, they'll deal the exact same amount of damage. On every third wave, an additional minion will spawn. This is called the Siege or Cannon minion and brings the wave to a total of 7 minions. These guys have significantly more health and deal significantly more damage over time than the other 2 types of minions. On that initial spawn, the minion waves will clash in the middle of the lane. This is what we call the neutral wave position. This happens because since minions spawn at the same time and they have to travel the same amount of distance, they're essentially mirroring each other. For example, if you know your minion wave is here, you can mirror their position onto the opponent's side and know that their minion wave is here. This phrase, neutral wave position, is super important to note because if the waves ever deviate from these neutral positions, things start getting a little hectic. Now, as you'll notice, the minion waves, if left alone, randomly push to one side of the map or deviate from the neutral wave position. It's kind of a coin toss in regards to which side will win the initial battle and start pushing to the other side. This is where you come in. Your job is to get the wave to deviate from the neutral wave position depending on your needs and how you can best choke out your opponent. As we'll continue discussing in the next video, you'll find that the person who can do this the best will almost always come out on top. Make sure to leave a review or any questions you might have down at the bottom, and thanks for watching.